wonder if this thing will even crank. Let's see right quick. My keys out. Oh, it's unlocked. Here we've been locked on all the way. Crank it and let it run for a little bit if it'll crank. Look at that. Right up. This thing's got 5,595 hours on it. Let's go. Let it run for a little while I'm strapping my Ranger down, getting it ready to ride. Strong, boy. You go back in my videos and you can see where I dug out my pond with it back about 3 years ago. 2016, I believe it was. Summer. Just gonna run it a little bit and work all the hydraulics on it. So I don't think I've run it since we had everything repinned and bushing on the bucket right there. All that stuff redone. Jay did it for us back. It's been a while back, a year or so ago, I guess. I hadn't been on it because this machine's been over here ever since. This is the one that I got the Caterpillar the one that was stuck in the pond. This is the machine I used to get it out with right here too. It's got a Sosby thumb on it right there. Machine's still good and tight too. Shut right here, so I thought I forget when we bought that thing, and I forget how many hours it had on it when we bought it. It's a 200. It's the same, base is the same as what my machine is, except there's no comparison between the two. My undercarriage on my machine, on my loader, is just massive compared to this one. I mean, like my turntable and stuff is actually, the base of it is sitting up, you know, about right in here is where mine is. There's a lot of difference between the two machines, but they operate the same. I mean, it's an excavator. Let's go home. See what's going on there. Need something to eat too. Real quick. So what you watched on the beginning of this video was filmed yesterday, Saturday morning, with the excavator. Intended on getting a video out all day today, and went hunting this morning. And right before I was about to get down, Jason Hollis texted me and wanted to know what I was doing. And so he and I ended up getting together. I left hunting, went straight and met up with him, and we got together and toured around the majority of the day. And so you're gonna get to see a video of that tomorrow of what all we did. But so I went back, climbed up in the shooting house a while ago before it got dark. I got there about 3 o'clock, I guess, and I was sitting there, and I was watching the radar and everything. I'm a big weather nut, and kind of keeping up with what's going on. And it looked like I had enough time to make it till dark, and I did. But about 4, what time was it? About 4:40, the tornado siren started going off over there. So I said, and I looked at the radar, and it was still on out, and I thought, man, if I chanced it, I was about a quarter mile from the truck, a little better. And here it comes. We just had one heavy one hit. Here comes this one now. The wind picking up big time. So I jumped down. Uh-oh, here it comes. I jumped down real quick and hauled tail back to the truck, and was able to get out the gates and everything before it ever even started raining. You can see it hitting the truck there now. Got on home. It wasn't quite dark yet when I got home. So went ahead, jumped in the shower, got that done in case the power goes out. Yeah, it's going on down now. And so we will not be working tomorrow. That is not going to happen. I was moving to keep balls and stuff out of the way right here. Come back here, buddy. Don't want y'all to get wet. So anyhow, that's the reason why this video is late. Tomorrow's video should publish on time. It's like a cow peeing on a flat rock now, dog. Sure is. Sure is. So we've already called off work for tomorrow. I don't know that we'll be able to do anything on New Year's Eve. We're probably about done for this whole week here. I need to take the garbage down tomorrow. It's garbage day. That's not gonna happen though. Nope. Not gonna happen right now. That's for sure. About to go in here and eat some supper. So we'll catch y'all later. Later, taters.
We're done now, aren't we?
She thought she was going to get me a while ago, and I knew she was coming to the door, and she's going to try to jank up my video. So I'm going to come back in here and jank her up right quick. So,
do you want some supper or not?
Look, I'll eat the supper, woman. It's right here. I'll take it, and that'll be that. Comprehende?
I don't believe you'll be taking it because it's pretty hot.
I can feel the heat coming off of it. There's Anna Kate over there. Yo. And there's Emma. Well, Emma's in it.
Trying to get a cold water.
She's like a giant rat. All right. So every time we get a storm here, man, I start getting messages from people making sure we okay. You know, we are fine and dandy. No worries here.